Good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells.
Morning.
And this morning, well, we're in Shinjuku in Tokyo, Japan. And behind us is the main building which we're going to go explore. So, come and join us today. Let's see where we're going and what we're up to. Let's have a look around this amazing city.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're roam free. Cruising the oceans, oh, can't you see?
So in front of us here is the main government building. And we'll go on to the top of that. It's the observation deck. Have a look round, show you around. But it's not open just yet. It's very early in the morning with a bit of jet lag, so we're up and out of bed early. Which is unusual for me.
Yep, it is actually.
Anyway, come and join us, let's have a look around. Let's come down to Shinjuku Park. It's quite early. Guess what's surprising is this little park right in the middle of this huge city. And evidently there's lots of little parks in Japan, so we're going to have a look around at those. Let's see. Shinjuku Shrine Temple. Shrine here, this temple is again right in the middle of the city. Very peaceful spot. Of course, it's still very early in the morning. People have come obviously to offer their prayers for the day. In the middle of Shinjuku, Tokyo. Watch out for the security guard. Termination is imminent. So, up to the 45th floor and the observatory of the government buildings. Let's go have a look at the... oh my goodness, yeah. Yeah. That's the our hotel, Kyo Plaza. Welcome to Blade Runner. Still going. Family Mart, yes. Anybody spotted Godzilla yet? Godzilla! Oh, there's his claw coming over the top. You seen him yet? That's a big zebra crossing. So we've went to the park in the middle of town. This large, evidently 140 acres of gardens, which look immaculately kept.
Well, most things are.
Entrance fee is 500 yen for adults, under 15s are free, and over 65 seniors are 250 yen. So 500 for two of you, which seems very reasonable. Well, it's actually hard to imagine that you're in the middle of Tokyo.
It is, it's so peaceful. I'm just thinking.
And I can hear a helicopter, and the rest of it you just hear birds and squirrels running around. And, yeah, idyllic. Of course, remembering you are in the middle of the city. Tower blocks all around. There you go. Mano covers up the world. Tokyo. Vending machines everywhere. So we've turned up back at the government buildings to watch the light show in the evening. So let's find out what this is all about. So a great free light show, really enjoyed that, it was good. We run it on the hour or so. Anyway, me and Julie are going to go get something to eat now, a couple of drinks, and then we're off to bed. Absolutely exhausted, jet lagged to hell. Although we get 2 days in Tokyo, in fact the first day was all travel, so today has been our only day really in Japan, and tomorrow we are in Yokohama catching our cruise ship, so we'll put a vlog out for that, so come and join us, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching, bye!
Well, the sun's arising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cypress calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK skies to the Mediterranean blue, we share our adventures, just me and you. With a camera in hand and a smile on our face, we capture the moments, it's our traveling pace. Cruising through life in our golden years, sharing the laughter, chasing the cheers.